Alright, statistics don't lie. Forklifts are the most dangerous asset when it comes to a workplace. WorkSafe Australia has given us all the stats, and the stats say that these ones, and you can understand why, fast moving, difficult to be able to see around, and lots of workers, pedestrians, delivery drivers working in and around these assets. So we've got a larger forklift here, but we can obviously fit to all different sizes. So with the forklift we've got here, we've got it fitted with how many cameras, Dave?
There's 3 on this one.
3 cameras. So we can fit anywhere from 1 to 2 to 4 cameras depending upon the vision you want around the forklift. As you can see here, what we've set up, we've got our yellow cones and we've got our red cones. So with Safety Shield, you've got your 2 zones. Yellow zone, where it's going to give you an audible warning. We've set up the external speaker. We'll give you an audible warning when you enter into a zone that you shouldn't be within. You can set that zone completely configurable. Righto, Dave, do you want to run through the thumbs up?
Yeah, sure. So the way that the thumbs up works is, you can see up there's a red circle on the big yellow shield, which is indicating that the operator doesn't know that we're close by and that we want to approach the machine. What the idea is, if you stay outside of the zone, and I'll give the operator the thumbs up, and in turn the operator is going to press a button.
Thumbs up, accepted. Approach when
You'll hear that audible message and the green thumb appear up on the shield. Now what's happening there is there's 3 things. It's going to mute all the alarms, the internal alarm and the external alarm. So that allows you to have a conversation without the system beeping and yelling out messages to you. The second thing that it's going to do is when you get into the red zone, what normally happens is with the thumbs up turned off, it sends that image, the video, 10 seconds of video, the location of the machine and the details around the machine to our live safety hub for safety people and managers to review why someone was in that red zone. But with the thumbs up turned on, it's not going to send that up, which is going to reduce the amount of reports that you have to generate because you know that somebody's meant to be near that machine. And the third thing what it does, it disengages the movement of the machine. So the hydraulic forks can't be moved, the machine can't be reversed forward and back. So when you're up talking to the operator, giving the operator something, there's no risk that the operator might bump a lever or press on an accelerator and move the forks or whatever. So it's a very safe way for, if you've got people at the front of the machine putting more pallets or checking pallets or boxes onto the forks, you can engage the thumbs up, which means the machine cannot move, okay? And then they can do their work at the front, get out of that zone, press the button to turn it off and get back to work. So that's how our digital thumbs up works. So I'm going to approach the machine. You'll hear that there'll be no external alarms. Then I'm going to get the operator to turn it off and I'll get back out of the zone. Now while the thumbs up is on, I will add the little display inside the cabin will always still show the operator if someone's entering the zones around the machine. So that means that he could be talking to me, but if someone was to enter in from behind that machine, the little display is still going to point the arrow to behind the machine to say, hey look, there's someone behind the machine as well. So it's a very nice feature to have. So I'm going to walk forward, see that there's no alarms going off in the cabin here. Hopefully you can see up there, it's still showing to the operator there's somebody here. I can have the conversation with the operator and then I'm going to move out of the zone. The operator will turn off the thumbs up. Changes the image. Now if I walk back in, and you can hear the external alarms, and he would have the internal alarms working inside the cabin as well. So that's our forklift solution. Again, you can go on a large forklift, small forklift, in any application, inside a warehouse, outside, on a port or something of that nature around your yard. So give us a call at Earth Moving Technology Solutions if you're in need of keeping your forklifts and people apart. Thank you.